shed in millions from stamens that tumble out of the grass's tiny flowers. As the grains are released, so the wind carries them away. It's these tiny particles, when they get up our nostrils, that give so many of us such a bad time. But their proper destination, of course, is not the human nose. It's structures like these, the stigmas of other grass flowers. When a pollen grain carried by the wind happens to land on one of these feathery traps, a grass plant is fertilized and can then produce seeds which will grow into other grass plants.